Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin. I hope you're all doing very well as always, and we still have no big move right now on the chart. So yeah, we're going to still update this really quickly. Gonna remove this right here, gonna remove this too, and we are good. So the sound. Yes, it's working well, pretty cool. Let's put the chat here. Perfect, and let's go on the daily time frame. So what do we have here? One new daily level. Okay. This and then let's go on the order flow here in footprint charts. So we do have one new naked session path contract 42,550. So let's take this 42,550. Perfect. Then we have a TPO, no, and a daily negative path control. No, we don't. No. All right, that was quick. So here, where we can look for a short or we can look for a long, I think I'm not going to cover, all the levels above, all the levels below. I mean, we have no move right now, so it's the same plan as yesterday, as 2 days before, extra. So I'm gonna stay with a bit above, a bit below, but nothing crazy otherwise. If you want to know more about where you can look for a long, where you can look for a short, really on the high time frame, you can simply go and check out the update I have done on the website, the Bitcoin high time frame technical analysis. You just have to click this, go around the end if you want to skip all the beginning where I'm really doing the TAs and everything on my side, and it's around 55 minutes, and you will be able to get the plan really. Okay, otherwise you can just go on the YouTube channel, go and check out this video, and you will be able to know where you have to look for a long, where you have to look for a short next. But I'm not going to repeat myself. It's not useful really, the same as yesterday. So anyway, here for a short trade within the range, so we can look first of all for, of course, the highs here to be taken. Okay, if there is nothing of this size, we can look simply for the next target, so to speak, here daily plus a value high plus I guess a 6,186% here, plus a naked session path control, and this nice swing through pan here. So this is a possible first possible, this is the first possible short trade here really within the range. Of course, now if we don't reject from here, if we manage to get acceptance above, this will be the first possible short setup. We're just coming here, retrace, maybe even go into the naked session path control, fake the pump, and bam, you manage to lose everything. This can be some level approach really, but sorry, this will be really the first short target and the first short possible setup. If there is nothing in here, we can simply look for the overall range higher to be taken for a possible swing through the panel or fail auction. Okay, so in that case, we're going to get no reason to take a short in this, and so it means that we're going to get no reason on the order flow, right? We're going to get no data here, no good data for a short trade. By reading this, as always, you can make some really good decisions and really crush the chart and make some really nice profit. You can trade almost every single highs and lows of the market really. This was just in 1 day, so this is pretty cool, not gonna lie. But yeah, so there is no reason in this first target for a short here. We can simply look for the next one, so the top right here for a possible swing through the pan fail auction. Again, for people that are maybe coming here and don't know what is a swing through pan or fail auction, the difference in between. What's a swing through pan is simply when you just come up here and you come back below directly and you close below here. You close below the previous high, so you leave the previous high really with a wick, such as here you have a high, you take it as against here, and you leave the previous high only with a wick. So this is a swing through the pan, for example. A fail auction is when you have, for example, so a high like this, you take this previous high, you get acceptance above, you start forming something really bearish, so you do have kind of close above the previous high, and then you retrace. This is a fail auction. So if there is no swing through pan or fail auction, we're simply going to look for the next target. The next target here is simply, so if we don't get anything here, bam, the weekly level. Right there, the weekly level plus the swing through pan of this lower time frame top. And if we do a bigger move, we can look for this value high. So it's all of this really we'll have to look for next if we don't get any swing through pan or fail auction. If we get nothing of this, we're simply going to look for the next trade, so to speak, here the monthly level up to this nice weekly naked path control plus the TPO level. This is the next zone of resistance really. This is these are some new fresh levels, and tap this is an old monster here. can also not be super respected, but it's still a monthly, so we still have to be aware of that. But again, here, if we start to reclaim this value at a high level with a weekly and a swing through pan here, we're going to see a nice increase in price into this monthly level and this weekly negative powerful trend TPO. Okay, so anyway, this is the next target. Really managed to reclaim this. We can look for a swing through pan of all of these highs with a daily level, reclaim this, look for the daily negative powerful control plus a naked session powerful trend. If we manage to reclaim this, sorry, a new high will be made. So now with the plan to the upside here within the range, it's we are good, really, nothing more to add on this. Now to the downside, so first of all, we do have this nice naked session path control, but personally I will be a bit careful longing this. I would prefer, to be fair, to go more down, take some few lows and get a continuation here. So this will be the first really long trade, but yeah, to be fair, am I really looking for a long here now? This was good yesterday, but I mean now it's a bit late. But it can be. We do not need to go and take all the lows here. We can just take, for example, the first one, bounce from the value low and reclaim here. So yeah, this will be the first idea really for a long trade. By the way, I think I said short trade, but anyway, it's long. With a swing through pan here, a naked session path control. Okay, this is the first idea really, but again, if there is no reason to take the long trade here, I'm not going to. Okay, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to look so next for a swing through pan of the lows. Okay, of this low here we have done yesterday plus the low here we have done 2 days ago. If there is no reason here, we can look for the daily and really all the support we have around the bottom here of the consolidation. So daily level, swing through pan, value area low, plus a weekly and the swing through pan of the low here. If this is not happening, there is nothing of this long trade. Okay, there is no good data for this. We're simply going to look for the overall bigger time frame range low to be taken, and here we can look for a swing through pan or a failed auction. If you want to get more about this, what target we'll have to look for next, mainly extra, just go and check out the video I have done yesterday, for example, or as I said, the free update on the on the website here, so you can really get a plan on the higher time frame. So now we're good with the levels, nothing more really to add on this. These are different targets, probably be interested into a long trade or a short trade for my day trades. Now let's move on the waves. So on the waves here, nothing changed so much, to be fair. We're still taking this double EX, Y, X, and Z mainly. We can still make, as I said yesterday, a longer wave for here, and so a longer Z wave. We can make something bigger here, such as an ABC flat, for example, so an A wave, a B retracement, and then we come up here. So for example, here we'll bam, take the lows, make a triple wave here to take the lows, and from here reclaim to make a C wave. Now we need to count the 5 waves in here. Once we have the 5 waves with a new hour, no, it depends, we finish at the wave 4, we finish at the Z wave, and so bam, we look for the wave 5 to the downside. Okay, we can make a triangle if we have just to be range bound, so to speak here, a wave A, B, C, D, E, and once we have done this, we finish the Z, that finishes wave 4. I mean, we can make many different stuff, to be honest with you. Now is it done or not, I don't know. I'm short from here, so in any case it's fine. Okay, the targets below really, the 4 targets below for the wave 5. Okay, the first one match, you know, was a swing through a pan of the lows. Next one match, you know, with key level, extra, maybe, by the way, a bit, no, I think it was a bigger, this was a key level, and all the levels will have planned really below us. Okay, yeah, so this is a wave I'm taking at a moment. Double EX, Y, X, and Z, as always, remember that this can be, if we have to be in something, I'm gonna push to the upside, it can be 5 waves here leading with a smaller wave of an ending, so in that case, a A, B, C, or a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. If you want to get more about the context, the waves, the higher time frame, why we can look for all of this, really, just really go and check out watch the video really I have done yesterday. It's really, I'm really explaining everything so you can really understand. Just don't want to repeat myself every day, it's not really useful, you know, we're not moving. So yeah, these are the different configurations. Okay, there are wave 5 down, either a more raw case where we're going to do push to the upside, depends really, as we have here a leading, okay, with a smaller wave of an ending, so it's more raw, so we do not really bet on this normally. So yeah, nothing more to add on this. We have some news today at 2:30. It's today, yeah, 2:30 UTC +1. So do not hesitate to check at that time. We can get some move really. And yeah, that's it really for today. Not gonna lie, nothing more really to add on this asset at the moment. No, there is nothing more. I do like this target a lot, to be honest with you, for a short trade, but I don't know if we're going to manage to reclaim this. Yeah, I like this target a lot, and if we manage to break this, well, if we don't end up with a swing flip pan here, this is a nice target too. But if we start to reclaim this, be careful, because if we get nothing bearish, it can be really quick to the upside here. But yeah, I do like this target a lot for a retest. Now, yeah, if we do a big move down next, we don't need to retrace that high, for example. We can do some small retracements, such as here, for example. We do not retrace like something big, we retrace something very small, and even end up with a truncated triple wave because we do a massive move next. So yeah. Anyway, let me know if you have some questions. Otherwise, we're good really for today. By the way, just noticed it yesterday, GRT, I have done a video on GRT. Let me find this. It was here, yes. Whoa. And so this aged well, not gonna lie. Now you've got the first target, again third false here, and the first target here, you get a nice increase in price. It's like 100%, so it's pretty decent. Yeah, almost 200%. It's just pretty crazy. So now, yeah, either ABC zigzag, either impulsive as we plan, you know, either ABC, where is the impulsive? Ethereum. Well, have more likely a triple wave, right? Except if we start doing a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I mean, I'm taking this more as a correction, to be fair, and this also looks a bit like 5 waves, to be honest. Yeah, like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next, in that case, it means wave 1, 2, you know, maybe on your, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, or A, B, C, and then come back up. You know, it depends if we're in a bigger wave 1, 2, A, B, C to the upside here. Depends on Bitcoin, really, to be fair. Depends if we do a massive crash on Bitcoin or not. So just gonna set my alerts, and then I'm gonna end this live stream because there are no questions coming right now. Gonna set an alert here. That alone will not be so easy, to be fair, because it's a large door, not a well-defined level and stuff like that. I don't like this so much, but we'll see. Then we have the lows there. Yep, perfect, and then we are good. Yeah, so don't forget the news today. Otherwise, I catch you all over the Discord. I'm not saying so much, you know, these days. In the Mateos update, simply because we're just range bound, you know, it's just treasure range really until it breaks with the targets I'm giving to you. And so yeah, there is nothing crazy to say, to be honest with you. So yeah, just go and check out the video if you didn't yet on the website. If you, by the way, want to win up to 7,000 deposit bonus, you can go and check out the link you have in the description. With the PRIMEXBT offer, we can trade nicely on this, to be fair. Can get some really good scalp. That's next time I'm using for quite a while now. This was one of the first one I've been using, and it's still working really well. But anyway, if you want to get up to 7,000 deposit bonus, just go and check this out. If you want to get more of us, you can go on the MOONCHARTS.fr website. Have some free courses that are waiting for you. Some you can get a pan, by the way. You can get a role on the Discord server, and Wave Master, an MOONCHARTS Master role. You have some resources to download, some Q&A videos to watch. You can do a one-to-one session if you want me to teach you. You have some Elliott wave analysis here, some full Elliott wave analysis, and some tips and tricks. But anyway, you have many stuff. I just let you go and check this out. So on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. As always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications. Have all a brilliant day, and catch you all in the next one tomorrow. Cheers.